everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the monthly Trash to Treasure challenge hosted by Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine, and her co-host this month is Heidi Sonboul. And in this first part I just want to show you the condition of the item I'm going to transform. This is really Trash to Treasure because, as I hope you all know, my daughter and I are dumpster divers. Our channel is Dumpster Chicks. The link is in the description box. So we find treasures in the dumpsters of different stores, and this was something we found, I think, at Michael's. I'm not quite sure, and I think it's beautiful, but as you can see, there are a lot of pieces missing here and here. So I'm going to add, I wanted the nautical rope, the white nautical rope from Dollar Tree. I couldn't find it. And another YouTuber, I forgot her name, I'm so sorry, I already thanked her for the idea. She replaced it with these mops from Dollar Tree, and that's an awesome idea. It's not exactly the same, but it really works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place these pieces of the mop all around here and inside, and then something else. But I just wanted you to see the awful condition this border was in before starting. So I'm going to stop here, and I'll be back when I have already glued all the pieces of mop. And I will give you the details about the hostesses and stuff like that. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I've already glued the fake nautical rope. Remember that I told you that I made it out of this mop from Dollar Tree. If you wonder how you get the strings, you just hold this firmly, the top part firmly, and pull. That's it. So it's really easy. Okay, I added four, I was going to say four knots to give it a more nautical coastal look. And now I'm going to finish this piece. As you can see, I solved the problem of the ruined border. It's totally covered right now. And I bought this photo frame at Dollar Tree. This is how it comes. This is not included. So I removed this part. I added this piece of those toys game. In fact, it's a game that the towers that you build with these pieces. Well, I added this one that I have left over from another project to the back, and now you're going to see why. And I placed a picture I liked. This is a real picture. One trip, I did many trips in ships, so this is a sunset that I captured many years ago. So what I'm going to do with all this is I want this to be elevated. I don't want this to be flat on the center, so I'm not going to fold these flaps that comes with this part to keep this in place. I'm going to keep them like they are right now, and I'm going to add a lot of E6000 to keep them in place, hopefully. Here, second one, and third one. So I'm going to place this here, like so. Of course it has to dry. I can't move the piece right now, but then I'm going to reinforce everything with hot glue once the E6000 dries a little bit, to make sure it's in place and not moving. And then I'm going to add this from the outside, because I want to have the chance to change the picture someday if I want. So I will just have to remove it or just place another on top. If it is under this piece, I won't be able to do that. So I'm going to glue. That's why I added this piece of, I don't remember the name of the game. So, well, this glue gun is working worse and worse every day. I need a new one. I have another one. I have to look for it and start using it. So I'm going to place this here, and I'm also going to add a piece of rope around, because I think it gives a more nautical look finish. I need my scissors. There, I see them. So I'm going to start gluing this nautical rope, supposedly. Okay, here you have the final result. This is all I'm going to do with this piece. I really like how it looks. The only thing I need now is something to hang it from, because this is a really heavy piece. So I think yes, the 6000 is starting to dry, so I think I can move it. As you can see, this is really heavy, and because it's metal and a lot of glass on the other side, so I need something that will not let this fall from your wall for security reasons, of course. And I went to one of the hardware stores I have nearby, and I couldn't find anything that made me feel comfortable and sure that it was going to be enough for this heavy piece. So I need to go to another one, but you know, I'm trying to go outside as less as possible. I couldn't find anything online, so maybe next week I will make a trip to the hardware store. But anyway, this is the final piece. I really like how it looks, and I'm so happy I could make a treasure out of this piece of trash, according to Pier 1. Not according to me, because I see rescue possibilities in almost anything we find in the dumpsters. As I said, this is a challenge that is hosted by monthly by Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine, and this month is co-hosted by Heidi. So please visit their channels. They are amazing, awesome, very creative, and they have everything you need to get inspired. Also visit the playlist with all the videos that are going to be entered in this challenge, and if you can, visit our dumpster divers or diving channel, Dumpster Chicks, sorry. Everything is going to be posted in the description box, all the links. So If you like this piece of trash made into treasure, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.